in the maturation and in the harvest actually. So for the harvest we have people coming, friends coming, and guests helping. So for free.
Free labor.
So yeah, we have a big breakfast, a big lunch. So it's a feast. Fun. It becomes a feast actually.
Yeah.
And then we let the grapes stay after the harvest. They just go until they become red and then yellow. The leaves fall, and in January then we will cut all these stems that in the meantime they will have become like these dry. Wooden, yes, wooden. And these are more or less the processes we do in the vineyard. And you see they tend to here. So, and we have to put them into the wires even because when we test with the tractor here, if the stems are just left going, then we would cut all of them. And then even because the closer they are, the cooler it is inside. Because the grapes, they don't need too much. They don't need cold weather, but they don't even need the too hot weather. So, and then in January we do. In November, after the leaves have fallen, we plant the fava beans, each 2 rows. This is a natural fertilization. So every year we do this too. Then if you see at the beginning of each row we have planted the roses. These are very useful because if there's an illness of the vineyard, if the roses take this illness, we have 7 days to prevent that it attacks the vineyard. They get ill before.
Yeah, it's like a canary in a cave. They're mine.
So that's really not only good looking but even beautiful. So then we go into the. If you have any questions, just ask. For the cultivation, we will harvest in October. Usually it's at the end of September, beginning of October. We have to check because if it rains, we cannot harvest because the grapes will stay a bit humid. And if they are humid, then if we harvest, we will get into the wine too much water actually. And the same happens the day of the harvest. We don't harvest early in the morning. We don't believe it. Because in the morning it's very humid the weather before the sun comes out. So we have to wait at 9:30 to start, because in the time of the morning that the sun comes out, we'll dry the grapes. So because even if it's unperceivable, if they are humid, they will take a small percentage of water in the wine. So makes sense.